Good morning, children. So I hope that subject-verb agreement, this chapter that we were doing in our grammar, is clear to all of you. Today we'll be moving further with the next exercises, but first, a quick recap of the golden rules. First rule is, am is the best friend of I. Right? Second is used with singular, noun or pronoun. Clear? Singular noun, one. Single means one. Are is used with plural, noun or pronoun. Plural means many. Are is also the best friend of you. I am a girl. He is going to Chinar Public School. We are going for a picnic. You are looking smart. Understood? The usage of is, am and are. Am is the best friend of I. Is used with singular noun or pronoun. Are is used with plural noun or pronoun. Are is used with you. Now, this is the fourth golden rule that we learned. Now the fifth one. Was and has. This we learned that it is used with, again, singular noun or pronoun. This we learnt now. He has a red car. She was wearing a pink dress. Singular pronoun. We are going to use was and has with singular pronoun. The next rule is were and have. These are used with plural, noun or pronoun. We were going to visit Hawa Mahal. They have so many mangoes. Fine. So here we are talking about plural pronoun. That's why we have used were and have. Fine. Now, were and have is used with you. Remember this. These are the exceptions, like are is used with you, were and have is used with you. And the last rule is was and have is used with I. I have a black marker. Fine? Fine? So, these rules, these 8 rules you are going to remember by heart. If you remember these 8 rules, you'll improve your communication skill as well as writing skills also. Fine? So, now in our last class, we did exercises which are on page number 77 and 78. Today, we'll be doing the exercise which is there on page number 79. So, open your books. Fine now. So, we'll be doing the second exercise here. Now, what does this exercise say? Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with is, am, are, has or have. One has been done for you. So, we have to fill up these blanks with is, am, are, has or have. We have to observe the pictures whether it is a singular noun or a plural noun. Clear? Fine? Like, for example, in the A part, it is written there dash a, what is this picture? Cake. There dash a cake on the table. So, how many cakes are there on the table? Only one. That's why we have used is here. Fine? This is done in your books? Clear. Now, the next, the dash, see the picture. Now, how many buses are there? One is behind and one is in front. So, 2 buses, plural. So, the buses dash moving on the road. With plural nouns, what do we use? Are. The buses are moving on the road. Excellent. Now, this is a picture of a girl, only one girl. So the girl dash eating an apple. So when we are talking about singular noun, then we'll be using is here. The girl is eating an apple. Fine. The remaining you are going to do it by yourself. Answers will be there with you. I'm going to provide you the answers in the assignment section. Now we'll be doing the next exercise. Fine. Now we are on page number 80 and the exercise that we are going to do is the third one. Okay. Put a tick in the box if the verb in the sentence is correct. Put a cross if it is wrong and write down the correct verb in the blank. Now, here we can see few sentences are given. The blocks are given and against every block there is a blank. We are just going to observe whether the verbs that are being used in the sentence is correct or not. If it is correct, put a tick. If it is wrong, put a cross in the box and then write down the correct verb. Clear? It are 10 o'clock. It are 10 o'clock. The first part. The block is there. I am not writing the sentence better. I am just going to give you the answer here. It are 10 o'clock. It is a wrong usage of verb. So we are going to put a cross in the box. And what is going to be the correct verb? It is 10 o'clock. So next to the blank, on the blank, we are going to write down is. Clear? Now, the B part. There is 7 days in a week. 7 days. Plural. So what will come? Are. So there is wrong. So again put a cross in the box and there are 7 days in a week. Fine. It is only by reading the sentences and applying the logic you'll come to know whether the verb that is used in the sentence is correct or not. Okay. Now, those kites are flying low. Kites, plural. So with plural, we'll use are. So that means that this sentence is absolutely correct and we are going to put a tick. Fine. Now the next is, there is nests in the trees. Nests, plural. So with plural, will we be using is? No, we'll not use is here. So it's a wrong part. Okay. And we are going to use are here. There are nests in the trees. Okay. So man has solved for you 4 examples. Fine. The remaining you are going to do it by yourself. Apply the logic. Answers will be there in the assignment section. Let's do the next exercise. Now the last exercise that we'll be doing today is the 4th one. Okay. Now it says, rewrite the sentences using correct verbs. Again, the sentences that are given, the verbs that are used is wrong one. And we have to rewrite them after using the correct one. Okay. Rita, have a bicycle. Rita, have a bicycle? No. Rita is singular noun. So what are we going to use? Has. So we are going to write down here, Rita has a bicycle. Fine. Why has is used? Because here we are talking about Rita. And Rita is singular noun. With singular noun we'll use has. Clear? Now, the next one. The playground have 2 gates. Again, how many playgrounds are we talking about? Just one playground. So with singular noun we are going to use has. So the playground has 2 gates. Simple. Fine. Now the C part. Do not forget to put the full stops. Lions has strong teeth. Lions, plural. With plural, what are we going to use? Have. So we are going to write down here, lions have strong teeth. Wonderful. So children, Pushpanjali ma'am has solved 3 of them. Remaining you are going to solve. Okay. Before winding up for today's video, remember to by heart those 8 golden rules. If you by heart them, if you learn them thoroughly and if you understand them, then trust me, you can solve these exercises very quickly and you'll enjoy solving these. Fine. So remember the golden rules, try to practice them, try to apply the logic and do the exercise. Bye.